everyone. I'm your host Himali, and welcome to our 10th episode.
Yeah, my name is Angelica, and we have made it. We have made it to 10 episodes. Can't believe it. So, by now, you might know the drill. Hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and check out our previous videos. बहुत मेहनत से बनाई है यार.
हाँ, उससे पहले प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करना भूलना मत, लाइक करो, कमेंट करो एंड हमारे एपिसोड्स पूरे पूरे देखो, आधे मत देखना।
उससे मेरा क्या फायदा हुआ, मुझे क्या मिला?
अलग ही डिक्टेटरशिप चालू है हिमाली की.
So, moving on to our episode today, we are going to tackle a topic that is as confusing as a Google Maps direction, which is situationship.
Yaar, I don't understand all these Gen Z terms. Technically, I'm Gen Z too, like an early Gen Z, but maybe you can call me a fake one.
या तू ना इधर की है ना उधर की है, तू है किधर की?
लगता है मैं भी सिचुएशनशिप में ही हूँ जनरेशन वाइज, ना इधर का ना उधर का, पूरा जनरेशन ही सिचुएशनशिप में है.
या
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
मे बी यू आर जस्ट लाइक अ पेंडुलम, इधर से उधर से भटक ही रही है।
हाँ, कभी मिलेनियल कभी जेन जी.
टॉइंग टॉइंग।
एक्चुअली तुझे पता है जेन जी का फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
क्या है?
इट्स जनरेशन जूमर्स.
वाओ, आई वांट टू नो हु इज दिस पर्सन जो ये नाम रखता है। जेन जूमर्स, जनरेशन जूमर, जनरेशन मिलेनियल, जिलेनियल।
जिलेनियल इज फॉर तेरे मेरे जैसे लोग ना, जो मिलेनियल को थोड़ा बहुत रिलेट करते, इवन जेन जी को रिलेट करते हुए, जस्ट दिस स्टक्ड जनरेशन.
Yeah. Don't worry, let me break it down to you. Situationship is that blurry zone where you're not quite sure if you're dating or you're just hanging out, just like a pendulum. It's like being in the middle of the rom-com and the script got lost somewhere along the way.
Wow. So basically, it's all fun and games until you ask, where is this going? But I feel it's kind of like friends with benefits, right?
Wait, now you're confusing me. Let's see what Reddit has to say about it. This whole situationship mess. Reddit पे तो लोग अलग ही बचते हैं and अपनी दिल की बात खोल के रख देते हैं.
Oh yeah, Reddit is the place where the real talk happens. Let's dig into some spicy stories and comments. Hold on to your seats because this might get wild.
Let's see how wild.
What the F is a situationship? Are you old enough to remember when people would put it's complicated as their relationship status on MySpace and Facebook? It's kind of like that. I'm pretty sure, but what do I know? I'm old enough to remember MySpace and Facebook. I don't know MySpace, but I do remember Facebook, and I do remember that relationship status where you are in
Yeah,
relationship. It's complicated or
it's
it's single.
complicated. मतलब every other day someone's relationship will go to complicated. It's complicated.
तो ये प्रथा पहले से ही आ रहा है. It's nothing new in Gen Z generation.
Yeah, बस जेंजी ने उनको पता नहीं क्या किया है, but we'll see along the way. Next one is give her an example. Say imagine हम दोनों शॉपिंग करने गए and मुझे एक कैप अच्छी लगी, बट उसे खरीदने की जगह आई टेल द सेलर कि इसे साइड में निकाल के रखना, किसी को देना मत, मैं पूरा मार्केट घूम के आती हूँ, कोई और अच्छी कैप मिली तो ले लूंगी।
वाह, क्या explanation है. But isn't this called like benching rather than situationship? Do you know what is benching, by the way?
अब ये बेंचिंग कहाँ से बीच में लाई तू?
Okay, so maybe I have a little bit Gen Z trait, okay? Benching is something exactly what she explained कि तुम एक जन को साइड में रखते हो. ठीक लगता है, okay, not too bad, but you still want to shop around till you make sure that okay, कोई है नहीं कुछ अच्छा तो इसके पास ही जाओ. So basically that's benching.
Oh, hell no.
Let us know what you think.
मैं तो मार्केट में ही घूम रही हूँ, इट्स फाइन।
Oh, this comment is hilarious. Okay. Let's just say that whatever ship you were on has hit an iceberg. Makes me wonder, Titanic की story भी situationship थी क्या? My heart doesn't want to go on.
That's true. Ultimately, every ship has to hit an iceberg at some point. I feel ज़्यादा लंबी वाली डिस्टेंस की शिप मत लो, बीच में उतरा करो।
टाइटैनिक वाली तो बिल्कुल भी मत लेना।
पता नहीं कब डूब जाओगे। वाओ! Here it is, after situationship there will be a delusionship. मेरे को एक बात बताइए, जेन ज़ी के बाद कौन-सा जनरेशन आता है?
Don't know. I कुछ तो होगा ना after Gen Z. What generation it is? Oh, it's generation Alpha.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
वाओ! अल्फा सुन के ही आई फील लाइक ये डिलुलु है।
God save us.
नो वंडर सिचुएशनशिप के साथ देयर विल बी अ डिल्यूजनशिप। दूसरा इंसान करेक्ट करता है डिलुलुशिप। एंड आफ्टर दैट बैटलशिप। वाह वाह! ये अलग ही बज रहा है। आफ्टर दैट फ्रेंडशिप। भाई साहब अल्टीमेटली शिप को डूबना ही है, छोड़ दो।
कृपया करके उतर जाओ। बहुत लेम था ये। Okay. The other comment is when he says we will see where it goes. Ha 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 sounds like a job interview. We will let you know. Spoiler alert. They never let me know.
चुबा।
सारे job interviews same. I'm having this Gen Z relationship with my job hunt.
दैट्स व्हाई यू आर अ पेंडुलम जस्ट हैंगिंग देयर।
I'm in a Dululu ship.
मे बी यू आर इन अ सोलुलु शिप।
हैं? ये क्या हो गया? ये क्या सुन रहा हूँ मैं?
ये क्या है अभी?
पता नहीं, another Gen Z term that Himali just invented. So next question is, how can you be exclusive but not official?
But isn't it 1 minute? In situationship, you're not exclusive, right?
Yeah.
Because you don't know where this is going. So how can you be exclusive? Alright, yeah. Good luck, Himali, to find boyfriend.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे।
देख, मैंने पहले ही बोला है मैं मार्केट में सिर्फ घूमने का काम करूंगी। I don't want to buy anything.
It means Misty Afternoon has commented. It means you don't see other people, but you are not in a relationship. Okay, so basically, you're dating this. You do everything like a boyfriend and girlfriend behave, and you don't see other people also, but you're still not in a relationship.
This is a
Matlab, I need a drink
situationship.
for this. Kya?
This is a situationship.
Why are you in this situationship? Like, I think it's complicated wala thing was much more easier than this.
Yeah, but यहाँ पे there is not even a situation.
Basically, you don't want to be called as a boyfriend or girlfriend. That's the thing.
So in our whichever lulu ship बोलते हैं इसको friends with benefits.
But I think friends with benefits में ये है ना कि you just have sexual relationship and there's nothing else. In
Yeah.
situationship, you go for movies, you do everything, but you're not in a relationship, but you're exclusive, but not official.
Normally, let's go exclusive का मतलब ही let's go official है ना? If I'm not wrong.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, let us know in the comments what you think about this disastrous situation ship these Gen Z people are in. Like, let us know what is your opinion.
I want the philosophy book that they are reading.
ये अच्छा था. I don't know about philosophy book, but definitely I can give you a list of Gen Z terms to decode the Gen Z word stash.
Here you are bringing a stash of पता नहीं क्या. Let me just say, here you are bringing a dictionary. Please bring it on. I need it.
Yep. Okay. This is also on Reddit. Like, I love Reddit because they give you all the possible, like, real information, not to sell information, just real information. Okay. So the first one is scam. This word is used to call out someone or something when it's not true. You're such a cap, Himali.
तो मुझे टोपी क्यों पहनाने की कोशिश कर रही है?
Oh, टोपी मत पहना चल. ये 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 पूरा तुम मिलेनियल वाली चीज को अंग्रेजी में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो और कुछ नहीं. चल टोपी मत पहना निकल.
मतलब टोपी को सिर्फ कैप में बदला है क्योंकि they were too lazy to convert this proverbs and idioms into an actual sentence.
The next one is buzzing. Is used to say when something is good. Typical with food. It's like
food is
why?
buzzing?
मधुमक्खी बन गए क्या buzzing? Buzz, buzz.
मस्त जोक मारा रे
I don't know. Wait, at this point, I even doubt if we are pronouncing this right.
Buzzing? Don't know. Let us know in the
Marathi.
comments.
Let's say कि food busing को मराठी में convert करे. Food बसतोय.
बस तो आता बसा की.
Sus. अरे sus क्या है ये? Sus is a word that came from among us, short for suspicious, used when
It's
something
not
is not
sus
quite right.
Himali. It's not sus
Sus.
Himali. It's sus.
I
I'm
am
not
too
Gen
old for you, Gen Zs.
Too old for this. This is so sus. I'm
Okay,
trying
sus.
to make a sentence.
Okay, let's make another one. With simp means you care for your crush or partner too much and are cringy with or to them. Simp.
Simp. Stop simping. I simp a lot. It's like when you take means you care for your crush, na, in a little cringy way. Basically, a whole Bollywood movie is simp movie. The other one is slaps. Means amazing or really great. Used with food, music, videos, or anything that's good. Slaps. मतलब क्या मैं थप्पड़ मारूं?
The music is slaps.
The music is
The
थप्पड़.
the food को फेंको और वो slap दे देगा.
कुछ भी
I am too lame, but Gen Zs are ultra lame.
Okay, I do not agree with slaps.
Himali?
Like it's not just vibing with me.
Yeah. Clap back. Called out or to be confronted or insulted.
अच्छा clap back तो बहुत पुराना ठीक है. It's not Gen Z.
It's like थोप दूंगी मैं उसको.
ठोक दूंगी.
If I am right, I don't know.
No.
नो
This one I like it. It's Stan, super fan for celebrities, or Riz, ability to charm or woo someone. You're such a Riz. I like this Riz Stan.
Yeah.
Mewing, a do-it-yourself facial restructuring method that helps your jawline seem slimmer. Okay, this is not a word. This is instruction. Mewing. Mewing.
Please tongue on the roof. Oh,
I'm trying. Mewing, mew, mew. Maybe, huh? Mewing. Try करना. I think it works.
no.
Mewing, mewing, mew.
I am too old. Yet or it to throw.
Yet,
Yet.
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 Just yet the food. Throw the food ही बोल दो.
मैं ये याद भी कैसे रहता है? मेरे को बोलो इसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट ही क्या है?
What is QI? How do you even say it? Key? The energy is everything.
Energy in everything.
The energy in everything makes no sense.
Energy in everything का ही सेंस नहीं समझ में आ रहा है मुझे.
हाँ ना, the energy in everything. Key is bad today. I'm feeling bad key. No, I don't know. Let us know if you are able to correct us.
Pushing P. Being loyal. He's pushing P. Angel is
How can
pushing
pushing?
P.
It's like pushing your pee. Maybe it's different. Maybe you can say pushing or you can say pee. Like he's just being pee. He's just
That
being
also
pee.
sounds weird.
Oh, you know what? When I had gone to San Francisco, we were when I was talking with like different people and just talking about restaurants or something, and they would recommend me something. It's like, okay, this place is the shit. And because I was living in France for so long time, already English vocabulary नीचे जा चुकी थी. And I'm like, okay, it's shit. Like, you know. And then I realized, no, this person is saying it's the shit. Like, it's the thing. So, yeah, that's me being me.
The shit. The food is the shit.
Yeah. So, बोले, this burger is the shit. माँ उधर ही उल्टे हाथ का थप्पड़ देगी ऐसे शिट बोला खाने को तो.
अन्नाचा अपमान करतेस तू.
हाँ.
Duff up. Hit many times and injure them.
Violence को duff up. Let's duff up. Let's duff him up. मतलब उसको मार तोड़ के एंजॉय करना. करो
हाँ.
करो. बहुत ही ब्राइट फ्यूचर है तुम्हारा.
मार साले का खोपड़ी तोड़ साले का
HJ. Sorta joking but not really.
Not sorta, it's sorta. Sorta joking. Like sort of. It's sorta. I think so. HJ. Sorta jerking. No. Sorta joking, but not really. HJ.
There was just a slip of tongue, guys.
Imagine Chunky Pandey saying, just a joking, but HJ. नहीं यार. Why?
Oh, this is nice. If someone comes and I be like, just beat your face and come.
What's that?
Apply makeup to your face.
Beat your face means apply makeup to your face.
So, okay, ऐसे मेरी ट्यूबलाइट अभी जल रही है थोड़ी सी. आई फील कि ये बीट योर फेस कहाँ से आया है. देख, अगर कोई थप्पड़ मारे तो कैसे गाल लाल हो जाते हैं. So that is what go apply your makeup and come.
Please let us know if Himali makes a lot of lame jokes in comments. मुझे लगा तू बोली कि थोपना. You know? That is more. थोपुनिये पाउडर. पॉन्ड्स पाउडर थोपुनिये तोंडाला.
Pond's powder थोपुनी है. नहीं, बट टेक्निकली अगर सोचे देख, अगर कोई मारता है तो कैसे लाल हो जाता है चेहरा, और जेंजी लोगों का तो
it's okay.
कितना ही ब्लश रहता है.
तू जा
मैं भाई
तू वापस जा
नहीं भाई
नहीं
बहुत
ये
बड़ा
स्कीम
Okay. Caught in 4K. Being caught doing something wrong with evidence to prove it. Oh, that's nice. Caught in 4K. I can't wait to use this on someone and then someone just giving me this blank look like, is she crazy?
famine tax. Am
What does it
I
mean? अरे मतलब भी तो बता साथ में.
the theft the theft of food between friends? बेसिकली खाना चोरी करने के लिए famine tax है.
Famine tax.
जितने लेम ये वर्ड्स है ना, इतना ही लेम मेरे को अभी फील हो रहा है. आई एम नॉट एंजॉइंग इट. नो, द ओनली वर्ड आई एंजॉय इज GOAT. Greatest of all time.
Okay, that's all for the Gen Z lingo. And try this out with your friends and let us know their reaction in our comments.
That's a wrap for our situationships and Gen Z lingos. Hope you are now a Gen Z vocab pro and ready to decode all those text messages.
If you enjoyed hanging out with us, don't forget to subscribe and share with your crew.
Until then, see you on next Friday. Don't forget to subscribe, stay lit, and keep slaying.